Hi guys, so just a quick video today. So Microsoft have recently released a new feature built into Microsoft Stream, and it's a feature that enables you to record your screen. So I'm just going to show you how to do that today. This is a feature that I will use all the time because I'm using third-party software currently to get these videos done that I produce. Going forward, I will be just using the Microsoft Stream option and then exporting my videos from there. So if we head into Edge, and then I'm just going to go to Stream website. Yeah, I'm just going to sign in, select my account, and then I should be welcomed with the Microsoft Stream dashboard. Yeah, so you can see these features at the top. So if I go into the Create option, and you can see the standard 4 features that were always there: upload video, live event, group, and channel. And then there's a new feature called Record Screen, so that's the feature we're going to use today. So if I just select that. So I have used this prior to the video, so what you will experience for the first time is a little dialog box. If you're in Edge, it will appear there. I believe it appears on the right hand side if you're in Chrome or any other browser. It will be asking you to give permissions to your camera and microphone. And I've selected those anyway and approved them. So it needs access to your microphone so it can record sound, obviously any voice input that you need, and your camera. If you've got a built-in webcam or a peripheral webcam, you can use that as well to have a little live feed, which I'll show you in a second, of yourself while you're doing the screen recording. So you can see, set a camera off, I've selected my external Logitech camera, and that's the same thing that I'm going to use for the microphone as well. So if I press start recording, you can see that it's just brought up a video of me. What I can do with this, obviously I haven't started the recording yet, but what I can do is I can resize my little thumbnail image here, and then I can have that wherever I want around screen also. So you can prep that just before you enter the video. So I'm going to leave that turned on, and then you can see you've got a little dialog up top here. It might look a little bit different in Chrome, but I'm obviously using Edge. So you can share your entire screen, record your entire screen. You can record your application window, or you can record a Microsoft Edge tab. Also works in Chrome with Chrome tabs. So I'm going to select my entire screen. Now you can see the share button is currently greyed out, so we can't use it. That's because I need to select the screen that I want to record. Obviously, if you've got different screens, different workspaces set up, then you will see all them down here as well. I'm assuming you can toggle between them. So you can see I've selected that, so the share button is highlighted. So if I just start share, counts down, and you can see it's starting to record. So it's now recording. I can leave this window if I need to, and then start to navigate around and show you kind of what I'd be recording. And then you come back to the same window. So if you just leave this minimize, you come back to the same window and you press next, and then that's kind of saves the recording, then you can do the next steps. So if you guys have used Stream before, if you haven't, the next steps are you would label it up, give it a name, choose the audience that it's going to. If you've got audio in there, you can do the option for live transcribe as well, which is quite useful. You can add it to groups, all sorts. So it's kind of like the post-production stuff at the end, and then just before you hit the share button, and then it makes it available to people. What you can do, which is what I'll be using, is the export feature as well. So once it's saved and it's in Stream, you can export it. Once you visit the video that's in Stream, you can use the little more actions and then choose download video. It downloads it to your device as an MP4. So that's what I'll be using, and then I can upload them in various places or just send the file if I need to. If it's outside of the business, because Stream, if you don't know, Stream is just internal for users licensed on your tenant. It's not external facing currently. So you can see that I'm leaving this to tick over. That's the duration of the video that I'm recording, and you've got a total of 15 minutes. So that is the cap on videos in this. I mean, that should be plenty of time. There's built-in snipping tools as well in Stream after this that you can use if you want to kind of get rid of maybe messed up the intro or something and you want to snip that out. But if you needed to record any longer than 15 minutes, the only thing I'd suggest is recording it in segments, and then you can use a video edit software like I use Premiere Pro myself, and I can add all those in. So if I just hit next, and then you can see that I'm then greeted by the video that I've just recorded. So I am just going to mute it, just because obviously I want you to be able to hear my voice rather than the video. And I'm going to hit play, and you can see it's playing within this thumbnail image here. I can seek that and just make sure everything's alright. I've got two options, disregarding obviously cancel and send feedback. I've got record again if I want to do the same thing, or I can upload to stream. So if I hit upload to stream, that is where it'll do all the next steps where you choose your audience and all that stuff. But that's it for today. If you found it useful, obviously give it a like, hit comment, and you can share it between anyone else who might be interested. But I hope this has helped. Thanks.